Time for a quick update on the FC. If you watched my last videos, you probably saw I did a brake job on it. So it's got all new brakes, new shocks, new brake lines, rubber hoses. Today I finished the exhaust. I just used leftover stainless from the rotary and some pieces from the TDI swap, and got a nice big muffler so it's real quiet. And so it's just about ready to have the bed put on. I took apart the transmission the other day because second gear was pretty much roasted, so I put all new second gear parts in and some new bearings, so it's ready to roll, hopefully. And so we're gonna get the bed on it and get it on the road and shake down everything mechanically, and then we'll tear into the body over the winter. But right now I just want to get it out and drive it a little bit before it's time to go into hibernation. Fire it up and let you hear the exhaust. Hopefully it starts. So that's it. Hopefully next time you see it, it'll have the bed on and be looking a little more put together. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.